is the 3D jigsaw puzzle for R2-D2, Star Wars Episode 1. And as you can see, he is entirely complete. And it comes with a voice box. It comes over here. It's in the middle foot. And here's some of the sounds. It's the same sound, but it does others. Like that. Okay, and now, here is the, this is like the instructions for R2-D2. It has 3 body supports, stuff like that. And, this is your R2-D2. It's 3D from, again, Episode 1. It has, it's like, it's 3-dimensional, so it's like actually really awesome to put together. And there's the voice box in the middle foot again. Here's your back view, your 3/4 back view, your bottom view is tiny, and here's your top view, your right side, left side, and your 3/4 view. And if we rotate this a little bit, you can see that in 3D, which I think looks awesome. And you know, you just press the voice box. And here we're gonna turn it all the way around. Here's your back side. And that's looks pretty cool. Here's your left side, and that is the R2-D2 puzzle 3D jigsaw puzzle from Episode 1.